Good morning, children. Okay, children. Today I am going to explain you exercise parts of Mumbai. Chapter number 6. I completed this chapter now in the previous class. So now today I am going to explain you exercise part of this lesson. Okay. All of you open page number 262. Here A main define is there and B main answer the following question. I will send you photocopy. You write down in your classwork neatly. And come to C main. Fill in the blanks with the options given in the box. Here some options are given. We have to choose the correct options and the correct sentence. Okay. First one. Mumbai was earlier known as Bombay. The Gate of India is the more famous dash of Mumbai landmark. Mumbai is a warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. Pleasant is the correct answer. And come to fourth one. Nariman Point is on the extreme south of Marina Drive. And fifth one, crude oil has been found in the seabed of the Mumbai coast. And come to D main. Write T for true and F for false statement. All the important office of the Maharashtra government in Ratnagiri. No, it's false. It is in Mumbai. Bahaba Automatic Research Center is situated at Mumbai. It is true. Office of many companies are located Juhu Beach. No, it's false. It's located in Marina Drive. The Gate of India was built to commemorate the visit King Gauraj V and Queen Mary in 1911. It is true. And Sahara International Airport in Delhi is the basic busiest airport in India. No, it's false. Come to E main. Match the following. Taraporawala Aquarium, SL World, Jahangir Art Gallery, Bombay VT Railway Station, Bhelpuri Street Food. And come to F main. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct options. Mumbai is located on the west coast of India facing Arabian Sea. The major film industries of Mumbai commonly referred to as Bollywood. Which of the following is not a beach? Where is Sova? The main language of the people of Mumbai is Marathi. The popular sweet dish of Mumbai is Srikhand. Okay, take the correct mark on the Srikhand. This much I will finish. I will send you photocopy. You write it in your classwork neatly. Okay, bye.